Hello students, myself Rajesh Kumar Sharma, your biology teacher. In this lecture we are going to discuss about prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Okay. As we have earlier discussed about cell. What is cell? Cell is a structural and functional unit of living organism. Clear? Structural and functional unit of living organism, that is cell. We have already discussed difference between plant cell as well as animal cell and parts of cell. Parts of cell is divided into three parts, that is cell membrane, cytoplasm and nucleus. And what are the difference between plant cell and animal cell? The basic difference between plant cell and animal cell: in case of plant cell there is presence of cell wall and absence of cell wall in case of animal cell. Next one, that is presence of chloroplast in case of plant cell and absence of chloroplast in case of animal cell. And there is presence of large vacuoles in case of plant cell, which is absent in case of animal cell. Clear? Maybe you must know about discovery of cell. Mr. Robert Hooke in 1665 discovered the cell. And who discovered the nucleus? Robert Brown. Clear? Let's discuss features of prokaryotic cells. In case of prokaryotic cell, they are primitive type, means there is no well developed nucleus, there is absence of nuclear membrane. Clear? There is absence of nuclear membrane, means nucleus is a primitive type. Their size is generally 1 to 10 micrometer μm. True nucleus is absent. DNA or genetic material lies directly in the cytoplasm. Nuclear region is divided of nuclear membrane, as we have discussed. Membrane bound cell organelles like mitochondria, lysosome, Golgi body, endoplasmic reticulum are absent, means membrane bound cell organelles are absent. Clear? There is presence of only single chromosome. Clear? Why we are saying membrane bound cell organelles are absent? Because there is presence of ribosomes, which is also a cell organelle. But around ribosome there is no membrane. Means ribosome is the only structure which does not have any membrane around themselves, and the ribosome is of 70S type in case of prokaryotic cell. Nucleolus is absent. When we go molecular level, there is absence of histone proteins along with genetic material, and there is absence of cholesterol in their membrane. Example of prokaryotic cell, that is bacteria and blue-green algae. Clear? Features of eukaryotic cell we will discuss in our next class. Okay? Thank you.